Have you ever heard people saying cha? So cha simply means no. This is mainly Zulu, but we also use it in isiNdebele to say no. Just simply say cha. So let me teach you how to pronounce the cha sound, and let's start off with this. Cha, che, chi, cho, chu. Let's do it again. Cha, che, chi, cho, chu. So you need to say these words, every pronunciation after me if you really want to learn Ndebele. Okay. So cha is pretty straightforward. It's a sound you make with your tongue. So it's your tongue touching the roof of your mouth and then you let go. Cha, che, chi, cho, chu. Just like that. You'll notice that most words that use this sound are verbs or doing words, action words. Okay. So I'm going to be giving you those words one by one, and then I'll also teach you how to use them in short sentences. So the first word I have for you is chaya. Chaya, meaning hang to dry. So we normally use chaya when we're talking about clothes or laundry. Okay? So if you were to say chaya impahla, you would be meaning hang the clothes. Chaya impahla. A better instruction would be hamba uyochaya impahla. Go and hang the clothes. Hamba uyochaya impahla. Here's another sentence. Ululu uchaya impahla. Lulu is hanging the clothes. Ululu uchaya impahla. She's hanging the clothes. Okay? Next verb using che. We have chema. Chema means to urinate, or rather to pee. Let's go with pee. So chema. Okay? If you wanted to say, I want to pee, you'd be like, ngifuna ukuchema. Ngifuna ukuchema. Che. The next word is chita. Chita. Chita means pour out. We usually use chita when we're talking about liquids. Okay? Chita amanzi means pour out the water. Hamba uyochita amanzi. Go and pour out the water. Okay? Go and pour out the water. Alright? Wenzani ujabu? Ujabu uchita amanzi. Okay? Ujabu uchita amanzi. Let me give you a sentence that is in past tense. You wanted to say, if you wanted to say the child spilled the milk, you'd say umntwana uchite uchago. Right, uchago being another word using the cha sound. Umntwana uchite uchago. The child spilled the milk. Okay? Uchite. Moving on, let's have this word thola. Thola. Thola means to grind. Okay? To grind. We usually use it when talking about peanuts. So if someone is grinding peanuts in order to make peanut butter, we say uthola amazambane. Here is a sentence. Ugogo uthola amazambane. Grandma is grinding the peanuts. Ugogo uthola amazambane. Okay? Right? Next verb. Chuma. Chuma. Chuma means behave yourself, or rather compose yourself. So it's usually something we say to kids. Chuma wena. Compose yourself. Chuma. Okay? Or you could say hlala phansi uchume. Sit down and compose yourself. Hlala phansi uchume. Okay? Here's another sentence. Unonhle ngumntwana ochumileyo. Unonhle ngumntwana ochumileyo. Nonhle is a well-behaved child. Okay. A recap of the verbs that I just taught you. How do you say hang to dry? Chaya. How do you say pee? Chema, right? And how do you say pour out? Pour out? Chita. What about chola? What does it mean? It means to grind. Chola, okay? Lastly, how do you say compose yourself? Choma. So out of 5, how many did you get correct? Let me know in the comments, okay? Let me know in the comments if you're following this far. Right, so that's what I have for you in the pronunciation for cha, okay? So this is a very different sound from CA. CA without the H is pronounced cha. It's pronounced cha. And there's a video I did on that, there's a video I did on cha, and if you look at the end of this video, it's going to be linked somewhere on the screen. Okay, so it's a pleasure to have you. It's a pleasure to teach you isiNdebele. It's really my pleasure. So let me know if you have any comments, and don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye.